Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy. Today, we are cooking simmered pork chops with the white wine sauce. Start off by chopping or mincing your garlic. Then you're going to rub that into a 1-inch thick pork chop on both sides, along with the rosemary, oregano, salt, and if you wish, pepper. Put your pork in a skillet. I use cast iron, it's my favorite. Then pour enough water into the skillet to the top edge of your pork. You're going to simmer the water away while covering your pork. You will be done simmering, there is no more water. Brown both sides of the pork, then remove and transfer to a serving dish. Pour half a cup to 1 cup of white wine into your skillet. Bring to a hard boil for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, scrape the pork remains off the bottom of the skillet, creating a delectable nectar fit for the gods. Now, once done, just simply pour your sauce over the pork. Quincas.
Alright, this is pork now, right? No horse?
No horse.
No horse.
This is pork chop.
Alright, is there any bone? Is it boneless or bones in there?
You know, you'll feel it if there's a bone in there. I don't think there's a bone.
I want to be breaking my teeth, man.
Oh, yeah, no, that would be a bone there.
Oh wow, very good, man. Very nicely done. Not
First
too.
time. This was an experiment.
It's not tough at all. No, not like hard. Very tender. Delicioso.
Yeah, I'll make this one again. This is a
very good.
winner.
Oh, very good, man. I'm not a big fat guy though. I'm not fat.
You know, I mean, fucking every piece of pork has fat. So what was better, pork or pasta?
Pork.
Why?
Why? Because I like pork better than pasta.
But you definitely said pasta yesterday when I asked.
Oh yeah. Well, I didn't say you asked me what was better.
I asked you what do you want.
You said you wanted me to do a pasta dish. I said okay. I ate it. What seems better? If you just made pasta, right? I would eat that whole dish.
Okay. You knew the combo was coming.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why I had to make room. I'm not a big food dude. I eat like a bird.
Fat nap.
Yep. If you eat peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you would be good. Oh, what's up, man?
Alright, well, let's get some footage of Penny eating some of it.
There you go.
You should leave it off the floor too.
I will. Alright, one more. Good job.
How was that, Penny? How was it? Yeah.
If you look like that's it.
Good footage.